Before buying a spy pen camera, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Not all of these cameras deliver on their promises, and the last thing you want is to waste your money on a dud. Product number 1, FANGJIE Mini Hidden Camera Pen. Let's kick things off with the FANGJIE Mini Hidden Camera Pen. Priced at $38.15, this little device caught my attention with its sleek design. If you want a straightforward way to capture videos discreetly, this is worth a serious look. This pen isn't just for writing, it doubles as a hidden camera with a solid 1080p resolution. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The fact that it doesn't require Wi-Fi means you can record in places where connections might be spotty, and you won't have to worry about data privacy since nothing's stored on a third-party server. Plus, with a rechargeable battery providing 150 minutes of recording time, it's perfect for meetings or lectures. Now I have to be honest, some users mentioned that the video quality can be a bit grainy in low light. Here's the thing though, if you're using it primarily in well-lit settings, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable tool for secure recordings without any tech fuss. Skip this one if you require high-quality footage in dim conditions, but at this price, it's a solid investment for basic needs. Now, if the battery life of the FANGJIE bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with storage capabilities. Product number 2, Koog Fleur Body Camera Pen. Next up is the Koog Fleur Body Camera Pen, retailing at $52.09. What really impressed me about this one is its smart motion detection feature. If you want a camera that starts recording automatically, this is definitely worth a look. It captures 1080p HD video, which means you can trust it to deliver reliable, evidence-quality footage. Here's why this matters. Imagine you're away from home. This camera will catch any movement and start recording. That could be crucial for security. And it comes with a 64 GB memory card out of the box, which is perfect for storing all those clips without having to buy extra storage. However, some reviews pointed out that the one-button control can be a bit finicky, especially if you're switching between modes quickly. I get that, it can be frustrating. But if you're someone who values ease of use, this is still a strong contender. This is perfect for you if you want a balance of security and simplicity. Skip this one if you need advanced features or if you're not patient with learning new tech. For the price, you're getting a solid, reliable device. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for portability. Product number 3, XISRU 64GB Security Camera. Coming in at just $27.97, the XISRU 64GB security camera is hard to overlook. Its compact size is impressive, making it easily portable for those on the go. If you want something that's small and discreet, this camera could be your best option. At just about 1x1x2 inches, you can hide it almost anywhere. Here's why this matters. Having a tiny camera increases your chances of capturing real moments without interference. While it doesn't have the advanced features of the pricier options, it does its job well for basic surveillance, and it's lightweight, making it perfect for travel. A few users did mention that the lack of a rechargeable battery can be a downside since it runs on disposable batteries. But honestly, if you're using it in short bursts, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, no-frills option. Skip this one if you need a camera for extended use, but seriously, for the price, it's a great buy. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more advanced, let's check out the next product. Product number 4, K-Cool Shui Mini Spy Camera Pen. Next, we have the K-Cool Shui Mini Spy Camera Pen, priced at $43.11. This one stood out with its full HD recording capabilities. If you want a clever design that fits right in your pocket, this is worth your attention. It captures 1080p video, ensuring you don't miss any crucial details. Plus, it includes a 64 GB memory card, so you can start recording right away without worrying about storage. One thing that frustrated me is that the setup can feel a bit overwhelming at first, especially with all its features. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward. This is perfect for you if you need a multi-purpose device for both security and business use. Skip this one if you're not interested in a learning curve, but for the price, it offers excellent value. If you're still unsure, the last product on my list might just be the simplest option out there. Product number 5, XISRU 64GB Nanny Cam. Finally, we have the XISRU 64GB Nanny Cam, which is priced at $45.78. This camera features motion detection, which is fantastic for saving storage space while ensuring you capture all the important moments. If you're looking for a camera that won't waste memory, this is a great choice. This matters a lot when you're monitoring a space, as clarity can help identify faces or actions. Some users did report that the setup instructions can be a bit confusing, which is understandable. However, the motion detection feature really makes up for it by ensuring you don't have to sift through hours of footage. This is perfect for you if you're using it for home security or as a nanny cam. Skip this one if you need constant recording without detection, but it's definitely a good option for peace of mind. All in all, these spy pen cameras offer a range of features depending on your specific needs. In summary, we've looked at 5 solid options: the FANGJIE Mini Hidden Camera for its portability, the Coog Fleur Body Camera for its smart features, the compact XISRU Security Camera for on-the-go use, the K-Cool Shui for its full HD capabilities, and the XISRU Nanny Cam for efficient motion detection.